Alright, I just swung the arm around. Swings pretty easily. Still have to weld that bottom pivot up nice and solid, and then I can put a grease nipple in this tube. I was going to drill a hole through here, through the middle of the pin, just a small one, and put a grease nipple in there, but instead of weakening that or anything, I'm just going to cut a hole through here and then weld a piece of pipe in there and then grease nipple on top of this, because that pipe's too thin to thread to get a decent, for the grease nipple to go in there without wrecking where the pin will go. But anyway, that's as far as the arm goes up, or that way. I think it turned out pretty good. Bucket's on there straight. I already measured it and everything. Show you the range of motion. Hit the wrong button. But I'll show you guys the range of motion I'm hoping to get out of the bucket. Trying to find a place for the camera. This might become a two-part series, I'm not sure. Hoping to get up to about here, and then let me see if the camera can still see. And up to about here. So, and then I got a good angle for digging with the bucket close to the machine. And then, oh yeah, and one question for anybody that can answer it. The joysticks I bought, they just came with the joysticks in a box and that's it. But they do have a pressure release on them. I'm fairly certain this is it. And then, the thing I wanted to ask you guys was, I'm assuming this outlet, this inlet, this one here is the inlet and this is the outlet, because this one's down here. Actually maybe not. No, I think that's the inlet. It's bigger and allows more fluid in, but I'm pretty sure that's the inlet, and that's the outlet. I know how all this works and everything, but if you guys know, definitely know what one's the inlet and outlet. Be much appreciated if you could let me know. Before I'm going to get it all hooked up with the hoses and everything, and then I'll hook my airline directly up to it where the pump would go in to test everything and everything like that, just to make sure all the cylinders go the right way before I put fluid and